Ujang Bok, Mayor of Incheon, Yang Incheng from China, our friend Sri Phan Yangking, Vice Chairman of CPPCC, China, Jiangsu Provincial Committee, Dr. Horjetsky, Vice Minister, Economic Affairs, North Rhine, Germany, Bernice Valerie Amos, and so many countries who are representing here. My partner countries, especially Germany, Japan, Poland, Italy, dear Saurabh Jishu, His Excellencies from Japan, Poland, Italy, Norway, Netherlands, Romania, Venezuela, Captain of the Industries, Head of the Chambers, my all respected delegates and the industry friends, a very, very hearty welcome to all of you, especially this Bengal Global Business Summit 1917. At the outset, I extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to all of you, your family members, to all members of your family also for the new year. Thank you so much for coming over here. We are extremely honored and grateful that our respected President is with us today. His kind presence gave us the new inspiration and the guidance for the future also. His blessings and inspiration have always been our guiding force. We are really grateful for august presence of our Honorable Governor, Mr. Kesrinath Tripathi ji, and all of my friends. It looks like a star of galaxy. We'd like to thank you so much for being present here. I think this Global Business of Bengal Summit has proved to be a milestone in West Bengal history. This year's summit has an overwhelming presence of international guests. Our partner countries, Germany, Japan, Italy, Poland, my friends from 29 countries, China, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Korea, Russia, Iran, UAE, UK, Italy, Spain, Germany, Poland, France, Norway, Romania, Belgium, Netherlands, Switzerland, USA, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, Venezuela, Russia are attending this summit. So in real sense, it's a star of galaxy and it's a international convention. Thank you so much for your kind presence. It is excellent presence. Over the next 2 days, we are going to have 4,000 businessmen, business leaders are attending the session. We are having a dedicated international session today, and for national it is tomorrow. Top academies and professors of East Asia, Japan, Thailand and Singapore have joined the summit to exchange concepts of Bengal-Asian synergies in different programs. Everybody knows, I think, especially the industry, that size of economy of Bengal has moved up from $67 billion to $140 billion within these 5 years. More than double. Our tax revenues have doubled in 4 years. It's a record in India. Our capital expenditure has grown more than 7-folds in a short period. Our growth in the industrial sector has been 10.59% compared to the national average at 7.3%, 15-16. In service sector also, we grew 1.5 times faster than the national average. And in agriculture sector, we have grown 5 times in the national average. Even you will be happy to know, in our social sector, we are doing very good work. If I give you just two examples, when we came to power, we have seen our infant mortality rate was 32%. But now, within these 5 years, it came down and now it is 26%, 6% less. Even in Gujarat, it is 33%. National average, it is 37%. And Bengal, from 32, it came down 32%. Even institution delivery rate, if you see, it was earlier when you came in power, it was about 65%. Now, because of our hectic work, it became 93.4%. Institution delivery also 65 to 93.4%. Like this, we have so many social sector programs, like 100 days work, Khadya Shati, we give only 2 rupees rice kg, 2 rupees kg rice to 8 crore people, means 8 billion people. The food guarantee, guaranteed food security program. We give free treatment to all the people, from heart operation to kidney dialysis to MRI to scan, we have already started 41 multi-super new hospitals. So many SU for the children, the mother and child hub, and also within these 4-5 years, 16 new universities came in Bengal, including St. Xavier's, the Presidency University, so many education hub is also there, and private also. So many colleges. Our skill level is very important. Every year we have to skill about 6 million unemployed youth. We have already set up more than 300 polytechnic colleges, the ITI colleges, and we are giving all the training. We are giving e-cycle, bicycle to our students. Even 40 million students, they are getting 400 million students, about 40 million, they are getting the bicycle in a free every year. So my school students are getting girl child, they have a Konyasri project, they are getting scholarship, bicycle they are getting free, health they are getting free treatment. Our connectivity is also very good. We have already started a new airport, Andal Green Airport. We have the Damdam Airport, Bagdogra Airport, Andal Airport. Also Malda and Kuch Bihar will be connected. 22 helipad services also, it is also connected. We are doing that work also. And this clean city program, green city program, we are doing 6 theme city program, and we are doing green city and clean city program also. There are so many programs, new township programs are available. The global bodies like UNICEF, DFID, UNICEF, UNESCO, they are helping us for the MSME sector and for the social sector, and they are very happy for our work. Now Bengal has now emerged as the growth engine of India. Even it is the strategic location, and that's why Southeast Asia and Asian countries, the northeastern countries, we are working together. We have already announced so many policies, public-private partnership policies, education policies, tourism policies, IT policies, textile policy, fashion design policy, startup policies, so many, tourism, culture, renewable energy, already MSME policy, industrial policy, already we started. Why I am requesting all of you to come to Bengal and invest Bengal? Because nowadays, though we are facing some hardship for the demonetization and the remonetization, industries are facing the problem, and it is a fact the slow economy is going on because of this, and some industries are not able to pay their payments also for the this cash transaction. They are having some problems, the small scale industry, the unorganized sectors, the traders, the farmers. Instead of that, I will request all of you, I will appeal to all of you, come to Bengal, because we have started giving all the relief to the businessmen. Agriculture also will build up, and industry also. Even we have the land bank, land use policy, land map, skilled labor, extra surplus power capacity. We have the road connectivity, railway connectivity, plane connectivity. We have the e-governance, and we have got highest award in India for the e-governance also, for the e-tax collection also. We have the e-tender system also. Why I am saying that please come? Yes. Of course there is a cause. Don't think that Calcutta is Calcutta or Bengal is Bengal. You consider in a broader sense. If you invest Bengal or Kolkata, you can see the face of my northeastern 8 sister states like Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, like this. They also, Arunachal Pradesh, they can also join with you. Even my advantages, my border country like Bangladesh, the Bangladesh ministers are present here. From Calcutta, from Bengal, you can nurture Bangladesh. You can nurture Nepal. They are my friendly country border. Bhutan, last time Bhutan Prime Minister also present. So Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, even very adjacent China also there. So many areas also there. My Thailand, Asian countries, it is just 2.5 hours from Kolkata to Thailand. Now if you see Singapore, it is also 2.5 hours. If you see Kuala Lumpur, it is also about that. So Asian countries, Maldives, even Myanmar, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Thailand, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Chinese, all are nearest. And Bengal will be connected with Nepal and Bangladesh with road connectivity. Rail connectivity already started. We have the air connectivity also. So, and we can give you the land from our land bank. We have the land bank. Even for the industrial park, 6,000 acres of land is already identified. If you want to invest, you can come up because everything is ready. Power surplus, no problem. Land mutation and conversion, we have already set up a policy. Within 15 days to 60 days, everything will be cleared. For MSME industry also, everything is there. So where the labor, cheap labor, you can get here. Skilled labor, cheap labor, talented labor, and what not. Our Bengal young generation, they are working hard. Sometimes in USA, sometimes in UK, sometimes in France, sometimes in Russia, sometimes in Japan, sometimes in China, because that is our brain is the educated brain, and that brain is a talented brain, and that brain can give everything. So you can use this brain. You can use this brain, you can use the land, you can nurture the business, and so many opportunities are there, from manufacturing to industry, engineering to small scale, textile to communication, hardware to computer, IT to industry. Everywhere you have the greater opportunity. So I will request you, invest the Bengal and you will get friendly environment. One thing you have to appreciate, before 5 years ago, the mandates lost in Bengal because of the leftist agitational program, it is 78 lakhs. And now I am happy to announce 0, 0, 0. No mandates lost. We don't allow any strike or blockade or anything which will become a disaster for the industry. No, we don't do it. And if there is any problem for any industry, we just pick up the matter, we sort it out within 24 hours. So that's why I think that Bengal deserves it, and Bengal is the destination, and Bengal is the destination. There is no shortage of land, no shortage of manpower. Everything is there. If you come to Bengal, you will see everything from Royal Bengal tiger to hill, Kanchenjunga hill, deep forest to big sea like Bay of Bengal, Digha, the sea. Even you have the religious place also like the Kineshwar Belur, and also this maybe Adbi Sharif like Adbi Sharif, Bhutia Sharif, Pathor Chapi, Purpura Sharif, everywhere. We have the Gurudwara, we have the Girja, we have the Mandir, we have the Masjid, everything we have in Bengal. And all we are working together because we are united force. And my young generation, the IT people, they are the talented people and they are doing hard work and they are doing every work for all over the world. So I request you that please come and invest the Bengal. You will be discussing the subject, I will be with you. I will eagerly waiting for your discussion. I will listen to all of you, what you want to discuss, and then whatever you will say, we will sum up when the meeting will be over before that. So I will urge all of you, Bengal is changed now. Bengal is the destination now. Bengal is the investment target now. Bengal is the gateway of investment, and Bengal is the engine. It is for India. What Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. I request all of you, please enjoy your stay here. I extend my heartiest greetings to all of you. Your presence, my Honorable President's presence, my Governor, it's really, we are deeply honored, we are deeply privileged, and it is our, really we are, what I will say that I cannot say only few words, just thanking you, but I will say Bengal is Bengal. It started our national movement. It gave the freedom. It is an independent day also. It is a big state. Bengal culture is something different. Bengal education, Bengal culture, Bengal industry, Bengal agriculture. Please invest and see that Bengal is always your friend. It is your home. Don't say that Bengal is not your home. It is your own home. And I feel my foreign delegates, my international delegates, my national delegates, my state delegates to say that please consider us not as a government, considered as your family member, as your brother and sister. I can tell you that yes, I appeal not the industry, I appeal to my brothers and sisters. Please come, invest and join this Bengal family. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, Banglar Joy Hok, Bangla Hok Bishwa Sera, Bishwa Bangla Jindabad. আপনাদের সকলকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you.